In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Wix Donations app to your website, customize the donation button to suit your style, link a payment method for seamless transactions, and publish your changes so they go live for your audience. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and effortless, ensuring that visitors to your site can support your cause with ease. Let's begin with the first step, adding the Wix Donations app to your site. To start, navigate to your Wix site's dashboard. This is your control center where you can access various tools and apps to enhance your site. Once you're there, look for the Add Apps option. Selecting this will take you to the Wix App Market, a treasure trove of functionalities you can integrate. In the search field, type Wix Donations and hit Enter. When you find the app, click on it to access more details. Review the features to ensure it fits your needs, then click the Add to Site button. This action will integrate the donation app into your platform. With the app added, let's move to customizing your donation button. Head back to your site's editor. On the left-hand panel, you should notice a new option associated with donations. Click on it to access your customization settings. Here, you can adjust the appearance of the button to match your website's aesthetic. This might involve changing colors, fonts, or the overall size. Customization is key in ensuring the button feels like a natural part of your site's design. Additionally, consider the text on your button. It should be compelling and clear. Something as simple as "Support us" or "Donate now" can work wonders in guiding visitor action. Now it's time to link a payment method allowing you to receive donations. Back in the donations settings, look for the payment gateway options. You'll need to connect a solution that suits your preferences. Popular choices include PayPal, Stripe, or Wix Payments. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the integration securely. It's important to ensure all credentials and payment details are accurate to avoid any issues later on. Once these settings are perfected, it's time to publish your changes. In the top right corner of your editor, you'll see the Publish button. Clicking this will put your updates live, making the donation app visible to your site visitors. Before you hit Publish, take one final look over your changes to ensure everything appears as expected. Once published, visit your site as a visitor might to confirm the donation button is functioning properly and that transactions proceed smoothly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully integrated the Wix Donations app onto your website. Now your visitors can contribute easily, supporting your cause with just a click.